let's talk about the quick difference between biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic, as the name suggests, are living, which are biological in origin, as simple as that. So they are living components. Now these living components could be what? Not just plants and animals that we think, but even insects, bacteria, fungi, fishes. So anything which is alive, has life, would be classified under biotic. Abiotic are those which are non-living. So sunlight, water, wind, rock, soil, atmosphere, temperature, all of these are non-living factors. So a key difference between the two would be biotic is living, abiotic is non-living. Abiotic sets the conditions for the environment, the rock, the temperature, the soil, the moisture. It does not depend on the biotic factors, but biotic factors do depend on abiotic factors for survival. For example, biotic is plant, and this plant would depend on sunlight for survival. So sunlight is a abiotic factor, but vice versa does not happen. Sunlight would not depend on plant for its survival. Okay, and the examples for each of those we have well discussed. In biotic, we do have the food chain and the food web, we could say, the food pyramids that we understand, which have the various levels of hierarchy, the one which produce, the one which consume, and one which decompose. So plants are the producers, human beings for example are the consumers, and then we have scavengers which are decomposers. So that is a hierarchy within the biotic system. We'll focus more on these basic aspects of biology and related topics in the next coming videos. Stay tuned for more updates from our side, and don't miss to follow the lectures in the link below. Thank you.